Alright YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I want to show you guys how to make a commission sheet but with this card design style. I know I've made a commission sheet tutorial before, but this one is with the cards. The previous one looked like this right here, so obviously both of these are different. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make this. I think this is super clean. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how you can make this. It is pretty simple, so let's get right into it. Alright, so first things first, you're gonna start off with a background. The color is, as you can see, so to fill your background, you can just hit Alt backspace and it will fill your background right here. Make sure you have this clicked with your foreground color. So switch, hit Alt backspace, and you will fill the background just like that. So next we're gonna make the cards, so make a new layer. Alright, so to start off, we're gonna use the rounded rectangle tool. So click and hold, use this tool right here. For the radius, I think 20 should work. I'm gonna hold Alt and just click on this color. For the card, the color is 1E, 1E, 1E right here, and we're just going to make a shape like this, or I think 20 works fine. So just for consistency purposes, I'm just gonna go over the shape, but I'm gonna go right here, and to center the shape, you want to hit Control A on your keyboard. This will make a selection. This will make a selection around your canvas, and now you want to go to your move tool. Make sure you have the shape selected right here. Go to the top and hit this button and this, and now you can hit Control D and you will have your shape right in the middle. Now as for the text, hit T on your keyboard, change your color to white, so DX on your keyboard to reset your colors. You just want to click, and right here I'm just gonna type logo design. You can't really see, but Control A, we're gonna change the font size. It's too big. You can hit Control T, hold Alt, resize this right here. As you can see, I'm trying to match this so we can keep this as consistent as possible. As you can see, the font I'm using is called Montserrat right up here. So if you want to use the same font, go ahead. Now we're just gonna hit Control J to copy this text layer. We're just gonna move this down, and now I'm gonna type commission. Control A, change the color to a lighter shade, and also drop the font size to like 12, as you can see. And I think this should be a bit more heavier. Alright, and the color is a slight silverish. Now we're gonna make a new layer. Go back to your rounded rectangle tool right here, change the radius to, I think 10 should work. You can hold Alt and click on this color. So what you guys can do is you guys can take a screenshot like this of my screen with this canvas right here. You can hit Control V on your keyboard to paste it in, so you could choose the same colors that I'm using. So with your rectangle tool, choose this one, and we're just gonna go over and create this little section, right? Alright, I'm just gonna move this here. I'm gonna make sure these are aligned. These are somewhat misaligned here. Move this up. With this, it's very simple. Your text is just the same thing as earlier. Change the color, obviously, so you can put top quality. You can put anything you want here. You could hold Control, click here, Control G to make a group with this. And if you hold Alt and Shift at the same time while you drag down like this, you can make a copy instantly. So that you need to put PSD included, and just go back and forth. Just copy this now, drop this down, and this style of your choice, like that. Make this into white, or the same color right here. EA right here. That's the hex code. Just copy these, boom. And now for the button, it's very simple. Make a new layer. I'm gonna choose the green color. I think 10 should work. Yep. Make this little shape. Go right here. As you can see. And you could grab the Roblox icon off of Google and just simply paste it. I gotta move this all the way up. It's very inconvenient. Anyways, and the ultra speed is just text. Once again, right here you can add the icon. For this, make sure the edges here are aligned like it is over here. So we gotta fix this little part, like right here. Okay, so scrap this, group this up, move this to the side, and these should all be aligned as well to the left side like this. All right, and we're gonna take this. Oops. We're going to move this back, and as you can see, we have a very clean card design. You can duplicate these and scale it down. Just make some changes like this, and yeah, that is pretty much it. If this video helps you guys, make sure to leave a like and join our Discord. We are close to 5,000 members. With that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.